Hey, how's it going? Chuck here, Sound Survival Tactics, and in this video I'm going to be practicing the Muay Thai kicks, specifically the front and rear roundhouse. And if you're not familiar with any Muay Thai at all, I'll leave a link to a playlist in the description below where you can go check out basic stance, basic combos, basic kicks. And for this video I'm just doing a little practice, sharing a few recent tips that I got for the front and rear Muay Thai kicks. Real quick, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button to get notified of future videos as they come out. And as always, if you're already subscribed, thank you very much. That's much appreciated. So next, we're gonna move into the garage and I'll go over the Muay Thai kicks.
All right, starting at hips with distance, left foot forward. Quick review, take a small step forward, hand out, deliver the kick, land about 10 o'clock, knee up on the way back, marching on the balls of your feet, step forward, hand out, knee up on the way back. All right, and you want to think about punching that hand out there while you're delivering that kick, getting the hip over, trying to keep the leg as straight as possible, land about 10 o'clock, plant that foot 10 o'clock, and knee up on the way back. All right, start low, start slow, build up your momentum. And you think about punching that hand out there as you're kicking. Boom. Plant, knee up on the way back, and marching on the balls of your feet. All right. Start low, start slow, build up that momentum. For a target, you would be kicking to the outside of my left leg. All right, switching legs now. Right foot steps forward, left hand out, left leg kick, knee up on the way back. Okay, again, right leg forward, small step, land 2 o'clock, knee up on the way back. So the right foot takes the step forward, just above your left, punch that left hand out there, plant it to knee up on the way back. Again, start low, start slow, build up your momentum. Get that step good because you're stepping up with your right and it's becoming your base leg now to deliver that kick with the left. Step forward, bang, punch it out there, land it, knee up on the way back. Reset, march. All right, right step forward, punch it out there, knee up on the way back.
All right, welcome back. Those were new tips to help you practice the Muay Thai kicks. Go ahead and try it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. Share out the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button. Take care, and we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.